Tracking from the world of commodities, but remember, all eyes are on US-China trade talks, which are expected to happen today yet again for the second straight day. And this is also having an impact on global commodity market. But what kind of impact are we seeing on the yellow metal and on the oil market in particular? Kanishka is now joining us with a roundup. Kanishka, over to you.
Look at what the commodity roundup looks like. Well, first of all, oil prices are back in the spotlight as markets are closely tracking geopolitical developments and shifting supply cues. Now, at the top of the agenda, the US-China trade talks that are underway in London. Now, this high-stakes negotiation has entered the second day of talks, and early comments from President Donald Trump are saying that all things are going well have lifted the sentiment. Now, Brent Crude is now hovering around that $67 per barrel mark, its highest level since late April. But there are offsetting pressures as well. Now, Iran is preparing a new proposal for its nuclear deal with the US. A breakthrough there could lead to an easing of sanctions and a return of Iranian oil to global markets, a development that could weigh on the prices there. Meanwhile, OPEC Plus output rose in May, with Iraq, Saudi Arabia and UAE gradually increasing production. The group is clearly shifting away from the output cuts and towards a more market-driven strategy, which, however, raises concerns about a potential surplus in the second half of the year. Now, switching over to gold, the precious metal is down about 0.5% in trade today, as traders are also watching here the outcome of trade talks between US and China that are underway in London. Now, if progress is made, it could reduce safe haven demand. Additionally, weak export data and worsening factory deflation in China have raised fresh concerns around global demand. And with that, the US CPI data is due tomorrow, and any upside surprise could make up for expectations around the Fed's next move, potentially pushing gold back into the focus. So for now, both the commodities are moving on the back of global macro cues.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.